Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to deposit undeposited funds in QuickBooks. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in QuickBooks, just find a plan that's right for you. And from here, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions and you are all set. Now, once you are here, depositing undeposited funds in QuickBooks is an essential step in maintaining accurate financial records and ensuring that your books reflect your business's true financial position. For us to be able to do that, you have two options. Number one is we need to go to the undeposited funds, and the first option that you have is go to the upper right corner, click on the cog icon settings, and go to chart of accounts. Or you can also go to the left side panel of your dashboard and go to transactions, click on chart of accounts. Now, once you are here, you need to search for the undeposited funds, which is, say for example, you have an amount here and you wanted these numbers, right? Now, so you can also filter by name here. Now, you wanted this balanced, the undeposited fund reflect on your current balance right here on your bank account. All right. For us to be able to do that, the next thing that we need to do is, now from here, we need to create a sales receipt. And for us to be able to create a deposit, just go to the left side panel of your dashboard, click on new, and click on bank deposit. And from here, as you can see, that depositing undeposited funds allows you to match bank transactions accurately when reconciling your accounts. All right. Now you can choose the bank right here. You can choose the tag. If you want to manage tags, you can create a tag and a lot more. Just skip it. And from here, now, as you can see, you have the option to add funds to this deposit. Say, for example, you received this from this person. The idea is make sure your deposit in QuickBooks is the exact amount as the deposit you'll see on your bank statement. All right. Now, from here, all you have to do is just put new one if you wanted. Maybe discount and refund. You can just click on it if you're not sure. Again, if you're not sure about the options that you have here or are lost during the whole navigation process, you might want to consult a sales professional. All right. And from here, all you have to do is just put the amount that should, again, reflect the exact same amount as the deposit you'll see on your bank statement. All right. Now you can put some memo here if you want it, like a short memo. You can add a supplemental file not exceeding the 20 MB file limit. You can drag and drop here. And once it's done, all you have to do is just save and close. All right. Now remember that depositing undeposited funds in QuickBooks is essential for maintaining accurate financial records, tracking income, and a lot more. Now, it's a fundamental step in the accounting process that helps you manage your business's finances effectively and make informed decisions based on reliable financial information. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.